Namaste friends, I am Hemant Thakur, your diamond expert from All Your Jewels. In this video, I am going to answer a question asked by someone on Quora. It says, why Tanishq jewelry is so costly? Is it only the brand name or open loot? Tanishq jewelry is certainly a brand name. It comes from the Tata Group, and they are one of the most reputed names in the business in India. Buying from Tanishq gives you a peace of mind that you are buying from the right place, the right source, that you are buying is not going to go I think that you're not going to feel that cheated or kind of feeling which sometimes some consumers feel buying from a very traditional jeweler or very or a jeweler with less ethics in business. Okay, so when you walk into a Tanishq store, you can feel that standardization is there. We are based in the diamond market, and we know the type of diamonds Tanishq procure from here, from the type of suppliers they procure their diamonds. So we know that that the standardization is there. Also, they get the jewelry certification. They have their own internal audit for grading and all those parameters. So they are charging money for all that service. Also, they do have, I guess they have a kind of buyback policy. So no matter how high charges they are charging to customers, they have the buyback policy or a return or an exchange policy available with them. So even if you are paying high price, you are rest assured that they are going to buy it from you any point of time. But there is another way also to get the same quality done with a much lesser price without compromising on the quality of the diamonds, and we offer that kind of service in 3 simple steps. I'll give you an idea about it. We are based in the Mumbai diamond market, which supplies 9 out of 10 diamonds in the world. So sourcing your diamonds from these manufacturers will help you save immense amount of money, and our guidance will help you buy much better quality of diamond. So all you have to do is visit our website allyoursjewels.com, fill up the form like your budget, the type of jewelry you wish to make, and the quality of diamonds you wish to have. We will go around in the market, procure these diamonds, make an estimation and send it to you. If you agree to the estimation, you can compare that estimation with any jeweler or any online jeweler. We guarantee our estimation will beat theirs. If you agree to it, then you can send us the money. We will buy this diamond, set it into the piece of jewelry and deliver it to you. This way you save enough money without compromising on the quality. We offer complimentary service like engraving your personal message, 1 year free maintenance, doorstep delivery, a yoga journal subscription, complimentary for 1 year. All our jewelry are accompanied by GIA or IGI certificate, so that your purchase, the jewelry we are sending it to you has been authenticated or or been verified by the laboratories. We are member of the Gem and Jewelry Export Promotion Council, so that you are sourcing through us. So we do a decent job enough. We are member of this council, so that your money is in safe hands. Also, you should be knowing that any piece of diamond jewelry is 80% diamonds, 10 to 15% gold, and 10 to 15% of labor. So essential is to buy the diamonds from the right source. So Tanishq is sourcing your diamonds, their diamonds from these manufacturers, setting into jewelry and selling it to consumers through their retail outlets. But they have their own additional cost of operations, marketing budget and all, very high budget, setting up stores in prime locations, which we don't add to the piece of jewelry. So if you wish to source your jewelry from the manufacturers, then we are looking forward to your request. Thank you.